हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिफरेंट क्रॉप प्रैक्टिसेस के बारे में जानेंगे। ये टॉपिक एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर आप प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे तो इस टॉपिक से एक दो क्वेश्चन तो रहते ही हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Practices of rice crop, Depot method. It is the method of raising nursery. This method is introduced in India from Philippines and first adopted by farmers of Andhra Pradesh. And in this, seedlings are ready for transplanting in 11 to 14 days for sowing. Positioning. It is the cross following the young crops 4 to 6 weeks after sowing with a country plow in 5 to 10 centimeter of standing water. This method is followed in direct seeded whole and rice in Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Uttar Pradesh and some part of Jharkhand. Practices of sugarcane. Retooning. It is the regrowth of plant from the parts of sugarcane left after harvesting. For economical yield, only one ratoon is taken. Wrapping. It is bending one or more lower leaves of sugarcane and wrapping around to sugarcane stem. जैसे कि आप लोग पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं। क्रॉपिंग, इसमें रो टू रो शुगर केन स्टेम को एक साथ बांध दिया जाता है, जैसे कि आप लोग यहाँ पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं। Detressing, it is the removal of lower unwanted and dry leaves. Windrowing, it is the storing of cane stock in cold or winters to protect the seed materials from cold and frost. Practices of cotton. Topping, it is the removing of terminal growing point once from each plant at a height of 1 to 1.2 meter or between 80 to 90 days of crop growth. And the main objective of topping is to increase the sympodial branching and cotton ball development. And nipping, it is the removal of auxiliary buds and it is required if monopodia branching continues to more than 15 nodes. Greening, it is basically separation of fibers from the seed cotton and इसमें seed cotton and cotton seed दोनों different word है। Cotton seed means only seed after removing from the cotton fiber and seed cotton means seed plus cotton fiber and इसमें greening percentage is equal to weight of fiber divided by weight of seed cotton into 100. Practices of jute crop. Rating, it is the microbial process in which aerobic and anaerobic bacteria, fungi, weaken the fibers by decomposing and dissolving the pectin, hemicellulases, and other cementing agents. Rating duration is of 12 to 16 days and the optimum temperature for rating is 34 degrees Celsius and optimum depth of water should be 30 centimeters. Stripping, it is the removing of fibers from the stalk of jute after the completion of rating process and it is of two types, single seed method and beat break and jerk method. Ribbing, it is the peeling out of raw bark from the green plant immediately after harvesting and then obtain ribbon bundles are rated. Practices of tobacco crop. Topping, it is the removal of flower heads either alone or with few upper leaves from the plant. And the objective of this process is to improve the size, body, texture and quality of leaves. Desuckering, it is the removal of dormant buds, and this process is done after 7 days of topping. Priming, it is the harvesting of only ripe leaves of tobacco from the stalk, and 4 to 5 priming process is taken, and the first priming is done at 70 to 75 days after planting, and then after subsequent priming is done at 6 to 7 days interval. Curing, it is the process of removing moisture or drying and decomposition of chlorophyll from the harvested leaves until green color withdrawn, and hydrolysis of starch into sugar. And the objective of curing is to impart the required color, texture, and aroma to the final product. And some types of curing are sun curing, air curing, flue curing, and smoke curing. Raving, it is the burning of waste material, tobacco stalk, weed, or any organic refuges after final field preparation of bed. स्टेकिंग इन टोमेटो प्लांट्स, इसमें टोमेटो प्लांट को सपोर्ट दिया जाता है। स्टेकिंग से फ्रूट क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव होता है एंड डिसीज इंसिडेंस रिड्यूस होता है। प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ बंगाल ग्राम हीपिंग, इट इज द रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स एट 40 to 45 days after sowing. Topping, it is the removal of terminal buds. And detasseling in maize plant, it is the removal of tassels from the upper part of maize plants. Practices of banana plants. Propping, it is the process of giving support to pseudostem at the time of bunch emergence with the help of bamboo, wire, and coir. And enabling, it is the removal of male buds after the completion of female phase, and this process is required to check the movement of photosynthetes into the unwanted sink, and it promotes fruit development. And desuckering, it is the removal of surplus and unwanted suckers from the banana plant, and in this only one sucker is retained per plant for rattoning. Pegging process in groundnut. Pegging means growth of embryo in groundnut. इसमें बडिंग ओवरी इनलार्ज होकर सोल सरफेस में एंटर करता है एंड इनसाइड द सोल सरफेस एम्ब्रियो ग्रोथ होता है। प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ टी plucking, it is the harvesting of tea leaves. Curing of tea, it is the fermentation process and it is brought about by the activity of bacteria Bacillus megatherium, and this process increase the drinking potential and remove the bitterness and harshness by adding aroma and flavors to the tea leaves. Heaping, it is the first round of harvesting of young shoots after the pruning, and this method helps to stimulate the auxiliary buds below the heaping level.